End call. End call.
Okay.
Wrong person.
Flip phone with you, Kate?
Yes, I do.
Just keep doing what you're doing.
You guys walking together?
Oh, I got a good one. I got a good one.
Oh, that's adorable.
I got one. I got it. I'll send you. I'll send
Wait,
you what
then I gotta get the. Hi. Hi, Quinny. That is so cute.
Look at
Where are you guys going? Are you guys gonna buy? Are you guys gonna buy some watches? Maddie. Oh, oh, uh-oh. It's okay. What's wrong? It's okay. You look very confused. You want a hug?
Oh.
Oh. Yeah. Oh, kisses. Yay. Quinny. Quinny. This is one way to move them through the mall. Have one chase the other one. Usually takes us like 40 minutes. Hi guys. Oh, watch it. Heads up. Sorry. Maddie. I know where. At least I know where she's going. Come on, sweetie. Yeah. Is that so soft? You gotta wipe your nose on it? Wipe your boogers on it?